What's up, everyone? It's me, yours truly, Tree John Valencia. Welcome back to True Asia Diaries Mega Live Shoutout mga ka-18. Yes, we are back for SB19 reaction. And this is for their performance in the Grammy Museum. Yes, they're in Los Angeles, guys, performing in Grammy Museum for the song Wakas. So we receive a request to check this out. And thank you so much for requesting this, mga ka-18. And of course, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. All right, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Oh my God. Oh, there's Ken. Grabe, super ballad, no? Power ballad tong kanta na to. Isa masakit. Wow. Grabe yung boses ni Ken. Wow. Oh my God. Grabe, parang auto-tune yung boses ni Ken. But no, guys, this is raw vocal. Grabe yung character build-up ng vocals ni Ken. And this is a live vocals. Oh my gosh. Grabe, ang pogi ni Ken. Go, Jazz! Siyempre, no doubt for Jazz. Ganda ng dahon, niya, single. Grabe yung switching ni Justin and vocal dynamics. Love it. Baby boy. Oh my God, Stel! Of course, my bias, Stel. No doubt. Listen to that 10 notes. Grabe, ang sakit ng lyrics, guys. Aww. Oh my God! Grabe ang Stel. Grabe din talaga ang, alam mo yung pa-biceps niya kahit na naka-long sleeve siya for today's video. Kitang-kita niyo ang muscle build-up din Stel. And of course, that vocal never disappoint. Oh, ganda ng harmony. Grabe yung feels ng kanta na to. Go, Pablo! Grabe, ang sakit. Go, Josh! Oh my God! Ay, naka-pure blonde na si Josh ngayon. Grabe yung emotion, no? Hey! Wow, love that vocal flair from Josh. And of course, Pablo also have, ang sakit. Ang sakit nila kumanta. And this, parang bihira sa mga P-pop or any pop group na very ballad, no? Kasi nung 90s, yes, there's ballad and a boy band. They call it boy band or girl band. Pero yung, parang P-pop, K-pop, medyo bihira yung ballad, but SB19 always pull it off with a beautiful ballad song. Grabe, ang ganda ng kanta! Holding on. Grabe. Grabe yung pakiusap ng kanta, no? Grabe, live talaga to guys. But the vocal is vocalizing for today's video. Grabe ang live vocals. Ooh. Go, Stel! Oh my God, grabe ang pogi ni Stel! Whoa. Hey. Wow! Grabe, inugat si Stel doon na. Grabe, that vocal flair, that high notes, as we always expect from Stel. He never disappoint. Love it. Let's go back to that, guys. Oh my God, ang pogi ni Stel. Grabe, sustain. My God, nag-goosebumps ako. Ano, naiiyak ako! Bakit? Grabe. Wakas na talaga. Wow. Oh my God, Stel! Wow, grabe yun. High notes dynamics. Grabe, goosebumps ako. Grabe yung emotion. Oh my gosh. Grabe yung low tone and soft tone ni Ken.
Ito nga bang sila wakas? Lahat ng pangalan natin nilaban. Huwag mong kalimutan ang aking pangalan.
Aww. Oh my God! Oh, SB19 and Grammy Museum, guys! Wow, amazing. There you have it, guys. That is SB19 in the Grammy Museum singing Wakas. Oh my God. Like what I said, no? Parang SB19 na lang ang talagang pop group in this Gen Z era who's singing ballad and pulling it off so good. I love the emotion. I love the intensity of the performance. Guys, nakatayo lang sila dyan. Kalmado, chill, but they're giving overflowing emotion. Nag-goosebumps ako and I almost got so emotional. I love the song. I love the lyrics. And ang ganda ng partition ng parts ng bawat isa. Kasi it gives the strength of how they Pablo and Stel tandem dun sa bridge part. Sobrang ganda. Ang smooth. I love the performance. May iba pa ba silang performance, guys? You can comment down below and let me know in the comment section. And what can you say about these milestone of SB19 performing in the Grammy Museum? You can comment down below and let's discuss in the comment section. And of course, dahil ito ata sa Lollapalooza, guys, so excited tayo sa kanilang performance. Kaya naman, kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is Truly Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.